It is the blessing of God. We be Gullah Geechee anointed people. We know we are anointed to be on this coast in a hurricane zone, to have survived chattel enslavement, to have survived Jim Crow era, to have survived the racism of today, and still be landowners, still be proudly and authentically black folks that are Gullah Geechee.
To stand out on the marsh and breathe it in, it's refreshing, it's rejuvenating, it's renewing. But for many people of African descent, it's reconnecting. That grass is called salt marsh. It's a place of nurturing. It's not only a nursery, but it's also a place that we go to as native Gullah Geechees to just renew our spirits, renew our souls, to just literally pause. The same place where our ancestors paused. It's Jacksonville, North Carolina. It's Jacksonville, Florida. If you were to really look closely, you will see all these little dots. Those are the Sea Islands where Gullah Geechee culture rooted itself from the 1500s because African people were brought over from the motherland, enslaved on the Sea Islands, but many intermarried with indigenous people that were already there, the Kusabo, the Yemisi, the Cree, the Adisto. And so in my bloodline, like many Gullah Geechee people's bloodlines, we have both African and indigenous ancestry. The land is our family. The waterways are our bloodline. Gullah Geechee culture is inextricably tied to the land and the waterways here in the Sea Islands. And thereby, by maintaining the very environment that makes up a sea island, you maintain the Gullah Geechee cultural community because our heritage is living in that environment. Some people say, I thought your people were gone. And I said, well, look here, we'd have been here, and we in the Guina way tall. And so, till I leave, we'll still be pushing to educate more people and to empower my people so that people hear us, they see us, and they keep what we have protected and love it the way we do.